Your robot looks busy, but the carpet still feels gritty under socks. That happens when you buy for app features, not rug height. Hair type and daily prep matter too. So we're counting down to the one I'd actually buy. Thick rugs need access, hair needs the right brush, and clutter needs prep. Prices and filters change, so check first. Number 4. Eufy Auto-Empty C10. If your budget is tight, this is the cheapest pick I'd still discuss for carpet. It's for buyers who want self-emptying convenience and decent debris pickup, but can clear the floor first. The useful number is clearance, because it gets under low furniture at 8.0 centimeters or 3.1 inch. That matters if your bedrooms have bed frames, side tables, and carpeted corners that collect fuzz. But the trade-off is pretty blunt. Its obstacle sensing is light-based, so cords, toys, and random floor junk need your attention before a run. I'd buy it for a tidy carpeted apartment. Skip it if you expect the robot to improvise around clutter. Number 3. Dreame L40 Ultra. Want the chores handled, but don't have pets grinding hair into carpet? This is where I'd look. It's the mid-range choice for a mixed routine, with vacuuming, mopping only wet compatibility, and an automated dock. The proof point is convenience, not magic carpet rescue. Camera-based and light-based avoidance give it more awareness than the eufy, which helps in normal rooms. But fine debris, pet hair, edges, and corners can still need extra passes. So the trade-off is maintenance moving from the bin to the room. You'll fuss less with the dock, but still babysit carpet trouble spots. I'd skip it for shedding pets or edge-heavy layouts. Number 2. MOVA P50 Pro Ultra. This is the value play I'd consider before spending top pick money. It's for homes with hard floors and carpet, where you want the dock handling the messy chores. Its threshold story is modest, though. It can cross up to 1.9 centimeters or 0.7 inch. Small transitions are fine, but chunky thresholds matter. The upside is carpet positioning, especially if debris and pet hair are part of the daily mess. But the trade-off is hazard confidence. Its camera-based and light-based avoidance can miss small floor hazards, especially pet accidents. I'd pick it for cleaner, mapped rooms. Skip it if pets leave surprises or clutter moves daily. Number 1. Dreame X50 Ultra. I'd buy this for a complicated carpet home. It's for thicker rugs, room transitions, and cluttered spaces where access matters as much as pickup. The headline is threshold clearance, because it can climb up to 3.8 centimeters or 1.5 inch. That means rug edges and room transitions are less likely to turn into no-go zones. Its 3D structured light plus camera-based avoidance also gives it the strongest navigation story here. But the trade-off isn't small. Fine debris on carpet can still linger, and bristled rollers aren't my pick for heavy pet hair. Skip it if shedding is the whole problem. For mixed surfaces and awkward layouts, though, this is the cleanest call. Here's the shortcut. Pick eufy for a cheap, tidy home. Pick L40 Ultra for dock convenience without pets. Pick MOVA for stronger carpet value in cleaner rooms. Pick X50 Ultra when thresholds, rugs, and navigation are the real problem. Before buying, walk your worst route. Check rug lips, cords, pet zones, dock space, bag replacements, brush access, and mop workflow. If any step annoys you now, it'll annoy you weekly. For low cost, I'd take the eufy. For convenience, the L40 makes sense. For value, MOVA is tempting. But for carpet plus awkward layouts, the X50 Ultra is my pick. Links are in the description.